Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with an unboxing of my third or fourth. I have not done a good job keeping track. I think it's my third. I'm trying to check my notes. My third Miss to Mrs box. This is a bridal subscription service. I will have it linked down below if you're curious about it. I've actually really been enjoying this particular subscription. I'm also receiving the ring boxes as well. I'm kind of reviewing them side by side, and I'll give my final reviews at a later date, but I'm definitely enjoying this box and the products inside. So when you open it up, this is what it should look like. You should have some informational cards telling you what the products are, and I actually haven't dug into this box or really looked at the card, so I'm excited to share with you what I have. So I moved the tissue paper out of the way. I see some more informational cards and some products, so let's dig in. So the first informational card there is for delicious breakfast protein smoothies, so some different recipes. And then some workouts for your arms and back, abs, and your butt. So that's pretty neat. The next thing, or I guess the first product is this thing. I'm not sure what it is. It has a little carabiner on it. Let's check our notes. It is number 3. This is a cooling towel. Okay, so you soak it in water, you wring it out, and snap it. The multi-purpose cooling towel helps you stay cool whatever your exercise. It soaks up moisture and provides instant cooling relief for hours. I actually had one of these a long time ago. I went to Wyoming with my church group, and it was like in the middle of August or something, or July, and I had like a handkerchief type one. So let me open this up. It is very, very long, kind of like a scarf. So you would just soak this and wring it out, and then you could put it like around your neck like that, and it will keep you nice and cool. And it actually shows different ways that you can utilize it. So that's pretty neat. It says it's good for sports, working out, running, hiking, fitness, gym, yoga, Pilates, travel, camping, and more. And then next we have, this is the Get Fit, Stay Fit Planner, Move, Nourish, Sleep, and Thrive. That's what it looks like. And on the inside it has a quote. This isn't just a short-term diet, it's a long-term lifestyle change. Patience, persistence, one day at a time. Define your SMART goals. And then, ooh, that's cool. Weekly progress, weekly measurements, non-scale victories, different charts and things like that to kind of help you stay on track. Then there's shopping lists, hourly journal, workout trackers, notes, check-ins, weekly check-ins, meal plans. That is pretty cool. I do like that, actually. Very neat. Okay, the next thing that we have is number 5. It's a resistance band. These exercise bands can be used for general exercise, stretching, and strength training. They're also a fantastic addition to popular workout programs. It is very, very thick. Let's see how much it actually stretches. Oh, it does stretch, but there's a lot of resistance to it. So this is pretty nice. I do have a couple rubber resistance bands. This one has like rubber on the inside, so it's not going to slip anywhere. And then it's just this really stretchy, thick elastic. All right, so my camera just overheated, so let's try that again. Next up, we have the sports headband. It's like a blue and purple marble print, and then on the underside, it is this purple mesh. It seems like it's pretty well made and durable. And then to match that, we have this wrist sports wallet. So it's like a bracelet, you just wear it on your wrist, and it has a little zipper so that you can store things like your keys, or your driver's license, your bank card, whatever you need to. So that's pretty nice also, and it does match. Next up, we have this water bottle. It says, don't forget to drink your water. or donut. It has a donut on it. Donut, forget to drink your water. And then on the back, it just has different times: 8 a.m., 2 p.m., 9 a.m., 3 p.m., 10 a.m., 4 p.m., 11 a.m., 5 p.m., 12 p.m., 6 p.m., and then a refill. So you know when to refill your water bottle, so you're getting enough water each day. And then the last thing that we have is a sweating for the wedding fitness tank top. And it's that jersey type material. If you ever played sports in school, it's that mesh jersey material, and it's super, super, super oversized. I do size up in these just because I like them a little bit looser, but I think based on this material, it's like 2 sizes too big, 3 sizes too big. But it does just say sweating for the wedding. So we'll see how much use that gets. But aside from that, I'm pretty happy with this box. I think that the planner is really, really nice. I'm excited for that. It's nice to have these reminders on the water bottle. I probably won't get a lot of use out of the headband, to be honest. I want to start running again, so I'll definitely get use out of this, the resistance band, and I'm sure that when I go hiking and whatnot, this will come in handy, the little cooling towel. So that is everything that I received in this particular Miss to Mrs box. Again, I will have it linked down below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at greeneyedbeauty90 for more updates and photos of the products, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.